In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Forms for feedback, a straightforward and efficient way to gather valuable insights from your audience. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. This tool is accessible via any major web browser, so no worries about compatibility here. After finding it, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is simple and quick. Just follow the prompts provided by Microsoft. Once you're in, you'll be brought to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see an option to start a new form. Click on that, and it will guide you to the form creation page. This is where the magic happens. First, think about the nature of your feedback form. What exactly do you want to know? Depending on your focus, come up with a descriptive title. Something like, "Tell us about your experience" works if you aim to gather general customer feedback. Feel free also to add a brief description to set the scene, giving your respondents an idea of what the form is about. Next, you'll want to add different types of questions by clicking on the plus Add New button. Microsoft Forms offers you several options here, so consider what's most appropriate for the insights you seek. You can choose from types such as choice, text, rating, date, ranking, Likert, or Net Promoter Score. Each type serves its purpose, so pick what aligns best with your needs. For more detailed feedback, a Likert scale is highly recommended. This tool allows for a series of statements where respondents rate their level of agreement. Start by writing your main question or the context in the top field. Then, in the Statements section, enter specific items you want to evaluate, such as, "The website was easy to navigate," or "The store layout is well organized." Define the answer options in the Options section, using standard choices like strongly agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. After crafting your questions, add a visual touch by clicking the Style button at the top right corner of the page. This lets you apply different themes, adding a nice layer of customization to your form. Before you go live with your form, it's wise to preview it. The Preview button gives you a look at how the form will appear on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure a smooth experience for all respondents. Finally, to start collecting feedback, click the Collect Responses button. A shareable link will be generated, and you can adjust the sharing settings based on your requirements. Decide whether you want anyone with the link to respond, or if it should be limited only to those within your organization. And just like that, you're all set with your Microsoft Form, ready to gather valuable feedback effortlessly. Happy form creating!